all about the sky. Be sick. Have you ever wondered why the sky is blue? Well, it all has to do with the way that light interacts with our atmosphere. When sunlight enters the Earth's atmosphere, it interacts with the air molecules, which scatter the light in all directions. But did you know that sunlight is actually made up of different colors of light? This is because light is a type of electromagnetic radiation, and each color of light has a different wavelength. The shorter the wavelength, the bluer the color of light, while the longer the wavelength, the redder the color of light. You've probably seen a rainbow before, which is a beautiful example of the different colors of light. When sunlight is refracted through water droplets in the air, it creates a spectrum of colors, from red to violet. But when it comes to the blue color of the sky, it's all about the shorter wavelength of blue light. Blue light has a wavelength of around 400 to 500 nanometers, which is shorter than the other colors of light, like red and orange. So during the day, the sky appears blue because the blue light is scattered more easily in all directions by the air molecules in the Earth's atmosphere. Now, during sunrise and sunset, something interesting happens. The sun's light has to travel through more of the Earth's atmosphere, which means that the blue and green light gets scattered away more easily, leaving only the longer wavelength red, orange, and yellow light to reach our eyes. This scattering process is known as Rayleigh scattering, named after the British scientist Lord Rayleigh, who first described it in the 19th century. Rayleigh scattering occurs when light passes through a medium that contains particles that are much smaller than the wavelength of the light. In the case of the sky, the particles are the nitrogen and oxygen molecules in our atmosphere, which are much smaller than the wavelength of light. This is why the sky appears more red, orange, and yellow during sunrise and sunset. The same principle that causes the sky to appear blue during the day is also responsible for the beautiful colors we see in the sky during sunrise and sunset.
But what about the sky at night? Well, during the night, the sky appears dark because the sun's light is no longer shining on the Earth's atmosphere. But that doesn't mean there's nothing to see. In fact, on a clear night, you can see thousands of stars twinkling in the sky. Each star is a massive ball of gas, just like our sun, and the light from these stars travels across space to reach our eyes. So, the next time you look up at the sky, remember that there's a whole world of fascinating phenomena happening above us, from the different colors of light to the way that light interacts with our atmosphere to create stunning displays. Thank you for watching.
Be sick.
Please like, follow and share.